Ladies and gentlemen, it's my pleasure to be with you at this third edition of the Regulation of AI, Internet and Data Conference, addressing the challenges of new technology governance. We know that AI has immense potential to improve the life and well-being of people. It can provide new solutions to the complex challenges humankind faces. For example, when deployed to assist in climate change mitigation and adaptation efforts, AI is already helping us predict disaster risk, monitor carbon emission levels, and support the use of sustainable energy sources. Artificial intelligence can also help the fight against food scarcity by improving plant breeding and crop management practices, an important asset when we consider that 9.8 billion people will live on the planet by 2050. Moreover, artificial intelligence has been crucial in tracking the spread of outbreaks and in accelerating vaccine development during the COVID-19 pandemic. Online therapy platforms also show that AI holds promises for people to access timely, high-quality, and affordable mental health care on a global scale. However, we must recognize that artificial intelligence does not, for now, benefit everyone. And how could it benefit everyone when most of the AI technology is concentrated in the hands of few companies in a small number of countries? It is also concerning that many of these companies have chosen the path of self-regulation of artificial intelligence, despite the clear potential of these technologies to really do harm. AI technologies has a profound impact on societies and therefore renders self-regulation mechanisms insufficient. We cannot rely on voluntary standards designed by those who develop and directly benefit from AI technology. It doesn't happen in any sector. If AI technology may help societies protect the environment, it also has a clear environmental cost. For instance, a recent peer-reviewed study showed that training a large natural language processes model produces 300,000 pounds of carbon dioxide emissions, the equivalent of 125 round-trip flights from New York City to Beijing. We also know that AI is not neutral. The work of the activist Catherine Criado Perez, for example, shows that women are systematically underrepresented in big data, a gap in our knowledge that ranges from economic data to medical data. And using such data that is not representative for women may lead to biased AI models, biased prediction and insights, biased policies and solutions, and ultimately, it will be reproduced the very unequal gender world that we live. Moreover, AI technology is still mainly developed by men, as women make up to only 32% of data AI professionals globally. This is concerning for UNESCO, which places gender equality at the core of its institutional values. It's a global priority for us. If AI technology has shown its efficiency in helping countries fight the COVID-19 pandemic, it also has amplified concerns of privacy and data protection. According to Appen States in the AI 2020 report, 41% of companies accelerated their AI strategies during the pandemic. However, in some cases, this acceleration was accompanied by a lack of precautions against the use of personal and sensitive data for purposes beyond pandemic control. Such data risk being co-opted for other purposes, such as mass surveillance of our populations. The clear ethical challenges that AI poses for individuals, for societies, for the environment, has led the member state of UNESCO to adopt the first ever global normative instrument in the field of artificial intelligence in November 2021. This instrument, the Recommendation on the Ethics of Artificial Intelligence, is the fruit of intense dialogue and negotiation that span over several months. It calls for principles such as transparency and accountability to ensure that the AI remains within the control of human in the control of human, and proposes concrete policy actions and practical tools to address current and future challenges. We are currently in the process of actively creating such tools to facilitate the implementation of the recommendation in member states. In particular, we are developing a readiness assessment methodology and an ethical impact assessment, and we are assisted by a high-level group of international experts. The readiness assessment will help member states in identifying their AI readiness status at specific moments of their trajectory along a continuum of dimensions. It will also suggest a specific action that countries need to take to deploy AI in a more ethical manner. The ethical impact assessment, which can be deployed both by states, companies, civil society, will facilitate the prediction of consequences and the mitigation of technological risks. This will allow to avoid harmful results, facilitate participation, and address societal challenges. The ethical development of artificial intelligence can only result from an explicitly global, multidisciplinary, and cross-sectoral collaborative approach. It is therefore my hope that we seize the opportunity presented by events such as today's to enhance our cooperation, share knowledge, and collectively chart a path towards a more sustainable artificial intelligence. I would like to finish by saying that policies and regulatory frameworks matter, and they are not meant to hinder or stifle innovation. On the contrary, we believe that they have the potential to empower states and companies to develop safe, secure, and responsible artificial intelligence that people can trust.